Hello treasures, hello everyone. If you are looking for a sweet but simple drink to make, then this video is for you. Join me, let's make this sweet and spicy millet drink. Yes. So yeah, I have my millet which I have soaked and washed. I soaked it overnight. I also have some dates which I have deseeded and also soaked for some hours. Then I'll be using peanuts, roasted peanuts, and also roasted coconut flakes. Then I have my spices. I'll be using pepper, dry chili pepper, some cloves, and ginger. This spicy millet drink is very simple and easy to make. All I'll do is to transfer my soaked millet into the blender. I soaked 3 cups of millet, so I'm using 3 cups of millet. Then add the dates. I'm going to blend this into 2 batches because all of them will not enter the blender at once. So I'll divide it into 2 or 3 batches and blend. Then add everything. I just added the date, then the coconut flakes, the roasted peanuts. These 2 things I added are optional. You can add or leave it. You can also use coconut. In my previous video I used coconut as my milk, but keep watching and see what I'll use here. Then I'll add enough water, blend this, and then sieve. That's all.
Squeeze the sun into a glass. Let the moment slowly pass. Drops of joy from fruit so sweet. Life simple, pleasure we repeat. Feel the day with gentle hands. Nature's nectar understands. Sip the colors, taste the glow. Homemade magic starts to show. Treasure kitchen love so pure. Every flavor feels secure. Craft and care with every pour. Homemade juice and so much more. From orchard dreams to kitchen light, every drop feels just so right. Blended whisper stories told, in each glass a liquid gold. Pour the warmth into your soul. Tiny moments make you whole.
And here we have our creamy spicy millet drink, which is packed with essential vitamins and minerals. It's a natural energy boost. Yes, a natural energy boost. It has so many health benefits. It helps with digestion, healthy digestion, heart health, rich source of essential antioxidants and minerals like iron and magnesium. It is very good for your overall healthy being. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you're going to be making this. You can enjoy this also with milk. You can add evaporated or condensed milk to it. And to drink this, you just need to chill it. You can use ice cubes or you bottle it like I did mine, put in the refrigerator or freezer, allow it to cool down or chill before enjoying it. And you can consume this within 1 week. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye. Please subscribe if you haven't, and also follow us in our Facebook page at Treasure Kitchen. Thank you and bye.
Treasure kitchen love so